Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to use Facebook sleep mode to stop notifications. So let's head over to Facebook to see if there is any sleep mode available as Instagram. So I'm heading over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now head over to the gear icon. Now tap on the search icon and here search for sleep mode. Guys. So once you search for it, if you can't find any search results of sleep mode in here, then you can know Facebook doesn't avail this sleep mode option. So to stop the notifications, what can we do is just to head over to our phone's settings, then go to notifications, then go to app notifications. And in here, you have to go for, you will find you several options. Now go for the messenger because we want its notification to turn off. So turn off the messenger notification. And yeah, this is how you can turn off notifications for messenger. Hope this video will help you out. And for Facebook, and you can turn it off too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.